Those who often drive the Su-weapon commute are all too familiar with it. The Su-weapon does not use a parachute to slow down when it lands. At the moment the main landing gear is grounded, the pilot corrects the course by slightly deflecting the full-motion vertical tail. At the same time, the movable side strips go down and work in coordination with the present negative wings to further improve the wing vitality and keep the airframe in a stable controlled descent state. Then, the Su-57 main wheels glide for a distance after the ground, and the front wheels clear the runway. At this time, the movable side strips have been fully depressed, and the full-motion vertical tail applies a greater amount of deflection at the same time, forming a significant air resistance, thus replacing the parachute, and achieving short range and efficient deceleration. In just a few seconds, the Su-57 successfully completed the deceleration process and began to slide slowly to the temporary parking position. According to the instructions, Su-57 adopts a fully moving vertical tail design, which not only realizes drag reduction and weight reduction, optimization in structure, but also serves as an air braking surface when needed, effectively improving the attitude control ability in the approach and landing stages. The aircraft is equipped with two A241F1 turbofan engines, each with a maximum thrust of about 15 tons, providing strong power for its high maneuverable flight performance. The next day, Lao Xie returned full of goods and slowly walked towards the love of speed weapons. Lao Xie, also known as Sergei Bergdan, is a legendary Russian test pilot who has previously flown at Mach 1.7 per hour without a seat cover, making it the first person to fly at an open-top supersonic speed. The flight skills are exquisite and inexperienced, and it enjoys a high reputation in the international aviation community. Subsequently, with the assistance of ground crew, the heat shock before sliding out began, followed by the inspection of the non-control system and the wing. Tail and tail chopped in sequence to ensure the normal response of the control system. After the flight control system was tested, Lao Xie immediately closed the hatch cover, indicating that the Su-57 was about to set aside an exclusive parking space. At this time, near the Su-57, many terrain personnel and staff were enjoying the Su-57 at close range, and they would witness the fierce operation of Lao Xie driving the Su-57 to takeoff. After 2.5 minutes, the concubine confirmed that all parameters were correct. After getting the instruction to draw out, he released the handbrake, and Su-57 began to draw out the exclusive parking space and slowly drove to the takeoff runway. At this time, the side view of the Su-57 was undoubtedly, and it was obvious that its fuselage line was abnormally low and flat. Compared with other stealth fighters of the same level in the world, the vertical volume